Hi, I'm Maria from Crochet A to Z and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please push that subscribe button. And if you have, thank you also for being here. Thank you all for being here. And don't forget, subscribe and also like. Thank you. And today, I want to show you how to make the Wagon Wheel Granny Square. And it looks like it could be tough, but it isn't. It's an easy pattern to make. And I'm going to show you just how. So if you want to grab a crochet hook and you want to grab some yarn, you can crochet along with me. With this particular one, it's 100% acrylic, and I did put a border like I would a granny square. You can choose whatever colors you want, and if you wanted to do that, it's really easy. And I'm going to show you what I did on how I added the border later. This is 100% cotton, and this one is a cotton blend. So I made an acrylic, 100% cotton, and a cotton blend because I wanted to show you how it looked. You can make a lot of things with this. I was even thinking of making a table runner with it. So like I said, you can make a lot of things with it. So what you have to do now when you do this, I did my slip knot and I chained 5.